Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have Tomochain TOMO daily update. We are going to see the exact targets, and before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, or even at Buy Me a Coffee. Thank you for watching, have a fantastic day. Let's go right now into Tomochain. So Tomochain has been making something incredible. It has been going all the previous weeks even higher. You can see right here that we are following the 20-day and the 50-day exponential moving average. This is what happens in a strong impulsive wave. However, as you all know, this will not keep going higher and higher, but we need to see the exact targets for Tomochain. First of all, I'm going to draw the fib from the top to the bottom, and I'm going to have the logarithmic scale enabled. Now, the best thing that Tomochain did was, actually, let's start from why we got rejected, because we approached this target right here, the 2.80. However, what we have done over the previous weeks is we have followed and we have as a support level the 1.3740, around there. Now, we didn't close below this line. Look at that right here. That means when we bounce between two Fibonacci numbers, it is very important to know that it is very likely that we go higher, despite the fact that yes, we have a huge risk in the weekly frame, but in overall we have seen altcoins just getting higher without even taking into consideration that we are having the 73 RSI. But in overall, do not put much capital into this action right here, because as you all know, yes, we have a very huge risk in the weekly scale. Right now we are going back to the daily frame, and you can see that on the daily frame there is a good chance that we are forming right here quite of a nice bullish pattern formation. Okay, there's a good chance that we are going into a triangle formation. We can go all the way up higher. However, we have to wait and see until we have a breakout confirmation. Right now in the 4-hour frame, we ride again the 200-day moving average. We do not have any overbought or any oversold situation, so we are looking to see what we can do. Now, if you want some short-term targets right here, then you can see that the most important target to just get past above is the 1.6636 to 1.67. If we can close above in the 4-hour frame, we will be going all the way up higher. So a nice buying opportunity would be closing above in the 4-hour frame and then enter a long position to the 2.13, having a minor target in between at 1.85. Okay, so if we close above the 2.13 and the 2.18, then what we can do next, it is that we could possibly explode to the 3.15. However, until we do that, then all the things can turn pretty bad or pretty good at the same time. But anyway, I would like if you follow the exact targets right here. So let's assume that we close above this target. You have the target right here and right there. Okay, and finally, if we can close above these targets, the 2.13 and the 2.18, you can just go into a long position and we could be going all the way up higher. So these are the exact targets for the short term and for the mid term. Now, if we break down from this triangle right here, I'm going to delete every single target right now. And I'm going to keep the support level. If we close below in the daily frame, this would be the first bearish sign again. You can see we closed below yet, but we went all the way up higher. If you see a closing below condition in the weekly frame, that means you should be exiting the Tomochain long immediately, because it is very possible that if we see it in the weekly scale, we go back to the 1 USDT. Be careful though, Tomochain is looking very strong, very good, still looking strong, still looking good. You can see we do not have any huge risk right here as of now. Okay, in the weekly scale we have some, please be careful, but in overall, Tomochain is looking fantastic. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Thank you so much for watching, have a fantastic day, and see you soon. Bye.